All right, so again, one of the reasons why we like logarithms are these log properties. To expand, we want to make sure that we only have one variable and no exponents. So the first log property that we usually look at is multiplication followed by division. And you'll notice here that we do have division, so it's going to become numerator minus denominator. Keep in mind that when you do this, when you make this expansion, you go from one logarithm to 2 logs subtracted. So you will have a log base 12 of 9 minus a log base 12 of 13. So you have 2 separate logarithms. Over here, you'll notice that you have log base 11 of 3 times y. So what will happen there is you will have log base 11 of 3. And then this one multiplication is going to go to 2 logs added. So it will be log base 11 of 3 plus log base 11 of y. And the same thing goes here with this multiplication. That one multiplication will go to 2 logs added together. So it will be log base 12 of 13 plus log base 12 of 10. Now, putting these rules together, if you look at something like this, you'll notice that you have 2 properties. You have multiplication with the y times z, and you also have powers. When you expand, again, it's very important to do the multiplication and division first, and then take the power to the coefficient. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say my one multiplication is going to go to 2 logs added. That has to be my first step. I do not go straight into coefficients. No, we do not start with the coefficients. We start with multiplication. So this is natural log y to the 16th plus another natural log of z to the 8th. Once you have exhausted the multiplication division, then it's time to think about the powers, and here the powers will go to the coefficients. Now, keep in mind, we are not differentiating. So sometimes I'll draw like this under arrow just to really emphasize there's no derivative going on here. This is just the power going to the coefficient. So that becomes 16 natural log of y, and then plus 8 natural log of z. And another thing just to quickly note, anytime you have one term for the argument, you can drop the parentheses or you can choose to keep the parentheses. So technically for this natural log, you could also write this as 16 natural log y plus 8 natural log z without the parentheses as well.